So, am I suggesting that the proceeds from tobacco and all the lawsuits has corrupted the system? No. Not at least in Florida. I am a Florida lawyer for the moment. And in Florida, it was already corrupt. Res ipsa loquitur is a term of law having to do with the thing speaks for itself. Here is a misuse of the term, but it still applies. In Florida, Lawton Chiles, our governor, signed a contingency contract. 25% of whatever we collected in a case that was automatically a victory, 25% of whatever the Florida taxpayers collected would be paid to what turned out to be 11 or 12, depending upon how you count, separate lawyers who had separate law firms, but the contract typically was with the lawyer and not the law firm. They would get contingency fees that ultimately were about $250 million each. And yet, that didn't corrupt the system. It was already corrupted. Why would you say that? Well, picking 11 lawyers is most anomalous, and there is no explanation that one would think could be spoken about in polite society. But then those 11 lawyers from all over the state of Florida elected not to file in Leon County where they were supposed to. Under all good intentions, that's where you file. A state case belongs in the state capital. They picked a county other than that. They picked my county. The county I'm claiming was proven by these 11 lawyers to be believed to be the most corrupt at that time. And in fact, President Bush named it as one of the 3 counties where there has been a misuse of the judicial system to an extent that the verdicts have been understood to be much larger, the filings much greater, and the class actions much larger in Palm Beach County, in a county in Illinois, and a county in Mississippi. Since I'm from Florida, I'll stick to the Florida county. Palm Beach County is a corrupt county with corrupt judges, along with the those judges that may not be corrupt, but some of them must begin to be realizing that they have a duty to speak up or be included in the corrupt ones. Because when you allow corruption, when you tolerate corruption as a lawyer or a judge, you are corrupt.